Take a minute to think about the typical math class period as you remember it from your own middle or high school experience. What was it like? Depending on where and when you went to school, your experiences may be different than others. However, it's pretty common for people to say things like, "We sat in rows and columns, the teacher did examples on the board, we copied the examples into our notebooks, and then we did the odd problems, 1 through 29, for homework." In essence, the traditional classroom as we remember it probably looks something like this. Desk in rows and columns, very teacher-directed, little or no opportunity for students to talk to each other or interact with each other, and focus on isolated skills, memorization, getting the answer right, and copying the teacher's way of doing things. Now imagine a different kind of classroom. A classroom where teachers have resources that activate student thinking, tapping into prior knowledge and real-world experiences. A classroom where students build deeper mathematical understanding through collaboration and questioning. A classroom where students reflect and evaluate what they've learned. This is our instructional approach to engage, develop, and demonstrate while blending learning together and learning individually. Our instructional approach is based upon the collective knowledge of our researchers, instructional designers, cognitive learning scientists, and our master practitioners. It's based on a scientific understanding of how people learn and a real-world understanding of how to apply that science to mathematics instructional materials. And at its core, our instructional approach is based on 3 simple yet critical components: engage, develop, and demonstrate. To engage is to activate student thinking by tapping into prior knowledge and real-world experiences. To provide an introduction that generates curiosity and plants the seed for deeper learning. To develop is to build a deep understanding of mathematics through a variety of activities: real-world problems, sorting activities, worked examples, and peer analysis, in an environment where collaboration, conversation, and questioning are routine practices amongst students. And to demonstrate is to reflect on and evaluate what was learned. It's ongoing formative assessment, and it underlies the entire learning experience, driving real-time adjustments, next steps, insights, and measurements.